Welcome to yuvanko.com Marathi study. Today we are going to learn some basics of how to write Marathi alphabet beautifully. So for that we need some basic shapes to learn. So let's learn about those shapes. This is called as ardha gol. Ardha means half and semicircle. It is semicircle. Ardha gol. Gol is round. Ardha is half. So ardha gol is semicircle or half round. This is also ardha gol. Standing line is called ubhi resha. Slanting line is called tirpi resha. The sleeping line which you draw above any of the alphabet of मराठी अक्षरांच्या वरती जी लाईन लिहितात त्याला म्हणतात शिरोरेषा. शिर मीन्स हेड. सो यू आर रायटिंग लाईन अबाव ईच अल्फाबेट्स हेड. So that is called shiroresha. This is very important and every alphabet should have it. Then there are some knots which you will be drawing. So knots is varti gat. Varti is above. If the knot is touching the first line or shiroresha line, it is called varti gat. If it touching down, then it is called khalti gat. Khalti is down. Varti gat, khalti gat. Other than these, we have many matras. So you can learn those matra in my upcoming 12 khadi 14 khadi video. But in order to write today's Varnamala, we need few of them. So they are, this is called Ardha Chandra. This comes in alphabet A and O. So above the sleeping line or above the Shiroresha, if you have semicircle, this is called Ardha Chandra. Above the sleeping line, if you have round or dot, that is called Anuswar. In between the lines, you have those two dots. They are called Visarga. Okay. So these are the basic things which you know. Now let's start with swar. A. अर्धा गोल आडवी रेषा उभी रेषा शिरोरेषा अक्षर अ. See, make sure that your this ardha goal and this ardha goal is of same size. Your sleeping line, this horse, and this standing line is of 1:2 proportion. In the sense, this is half of the size of the standing line. Then your will ended up looking beautiful, and these and this should be on the same line. Next, a. अर्धा गोल आडवी रेषा उभी रेषा एक काना शिरोरेषा अक्षर आ. I know this is called as, I told you this is called as standing line, but when swar is get converted, this will called as kana. So it is better to start early and you say that a la kana a. Next alphabet is E. Choti ubi resha. Choti is small. See, this is a small standing line. Choti ubi resha ardha gol khalti ghat shiroresha. So this is down, this is touching the second line or down line and then going down. This whole thing is called khalchi ghat. This is like a knot. Rope is getting tied up, getting knotted at the down. So this is called khalchi ghat. This is rasva e. Now dirgha e is choti ubi resha ardha gol khalti ghat shiroresha ardha gol. E. Now make sure that when you write E, this and this should be of same size. You cannot have going E like this and this like this. This should be of same size. E. U. Rasva U. Ardha gol advi resha U. Make sure that this and this comes in the same line. U. Dirgha U. अर्धा गोल अर्धा गोल आडवी रेषा. See how nice turn अर्धा गोल it is written. So Marathi alphabets are mainly round in nature. If you have seen English alphabet, they are more of standing line and sleeping line, but Marathi is more curved alphabet. Curve are used more. So o a e I u. Now ru has a combination. So you have choti tirpi resha, ubhi resha, अंकपाच, शिरोरेषा. This I can also say that छोटी तिरपी रेषा, तिरपी रेषा, उभी रेषा, अर्धा गोल, मध्ये गाठ. But then in order to remember is better, you can write अंकपाच. We say this looks like अंकपाच, so it is better to remember that way. This is ru, Rishitla ru. A. छोटी उभी रेषा, तिरपी रेषा, उभी रेषा, शिरोरेषा. अर्धा गोल, आडवी रेषा, उभी रेषा, शिरोरेषा, अर्धचंद्र. Make sure that this ardhachandra is above the standing line, not here, not here. A a I I u ru, a I. छोटी उभी रेषा, तिरपी रेषा, उभी रेषा, एक मात्रा. Again, this you can interpret as tirpi resha also, but it is better to sing a song as matra and kana, so you will remember it better down the line when you learn Saudakhadi. A a I u ru, a I. Next is O. So O is अर्धा गोल, आडवी रेषा, उभी रेषा, एक काना, एक मात्रा. O. Make sure that when this O alphabet is written, your kana and matra touching at the shiroresha. So whenever the matra is there, you should touch at the last, not here, at the last connecting point. A a I u ru, a I o. अर्धा गोल, आडवी रेषा, उभी रेषा, एक काना, अर्धचंद्र. औ. अर्धा गोल, आडवी रेषा, उभी रेषा, एक काना, दोन मात्रा. औ. औषध मतलब औ. अर्धा गोल, आडवी रेषा, उभी रेषा, शिरोरेषा, अनुस्वार. This is also called as timber. Many people also say timber. अर्धा गोल, आडवी रेषा, उभी रेषा, शिरोरेषा, विसर्ग. So this covers our swar. In next video we will do Vyanjan. Thank you.